Wondered why certain events seem to repeat in your life or why people often mirror your feelings and attitudes back to you? It's almost as if life itself is reflecting back what you put into it. This is where the concept of the mirror principle comes into play, a powerful idea that suggests our reality is a reflection of our inner world. By understanding and applying this principle, you can begin to reshape your reality and manifest your desires more effectively. Let's explore how this works and how you can use it to transform your life. The mirror principle is built on the notion that the external world mirrors our internal state. This means that what you see happening around you is often a direct reflection of your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. Imagine your mind as a mirror. Whatever you project onto it will be reflected back to you in your external life. If you project positivity and confidence, you'll likely attract similar experiences and people into your life. Conversely, if you focus on negativity and doubt, those elements are more likely to manifest in your reality. This principle isn't just about superficial changes, it goes deeper, touching on the core of who you are and how you perceive yourself. For instance, if you have a deep-seated belief that you are unworthy of success, that belief will subtly influence your actions and decisions. As a result, you may unconsciously sabotage your own efforts or shy away from opportunities. By shifting your internal narrative, through affirmations, visualization, and self-reflection, you can change the way your reality unfolds. To harness the mirror principle effectively, begin by examining your current beliefs and attitudes. Ask yourself, what do I truly believe about myself and my place in the world? Are these beliefs serving me well, or are they holding me back? Often, the first step to change is becoming aware of these underlying beliefs. Once you identify them, you can start to challenge and replace them with more empowering ones. One practical way to apply the mirror principle is through the practice of affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself, designed to shift your mindset and reinforce a desired belief. For example, if you want to attract more abundance into your life, you might use affirmations like, I am worthy of wealth and success, or I attract opportunities that lead to growth and prosperity. By consistently affirming these beliefs, you begin to align your inner state with the reality you wish to create. Visualization is another powerful tool that complements the mirror principle. By vividly imagining the outcomes you desire, you create a mental image that your mind begins to accept as reality. This technique involves more than just daydreaming, it requires immersing yourself in the sensory experience of achieving your goals. Picture the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your success. This helps to solidify the belief that you can indeed achieve your desired outcomes, and it sends a clear message to your subconscious mind. The mirror principle also extends to your interactions with others. The way you treat people and the energy you bring to your relationships can reflect back to you in unexpected ways. If you approach others with kindness and respect, you are likely to receive the same treatment in return. On the other hand, if you harbor resentment or negativity, you might find that these feelings are mirrored back to you in your interactions. This reflection can serve as a valuable feedback mechanism, guiding you towards more positive and constructive ways of relating to others. It's important to note that the mirror principle operates on the assumption that your internal state creates your external reality. This means that if you want to see change in your life, you must first cultivate that change within yourself. It's not always about making drastic external changes. Often, the most profound transformations begin with subtle shifts in how you perceive and react to the world around you. Another aspect of this principle involves the power of self-awareness. By becoming more attuned to your thoughts and feelings, you gain insight into how they influence your reality. This self-awareness can help you identify patterns and triggers that may be contributing to undesirable outcomes. Once you recognize these patterns, you can work to change them, thereby altering the way your reality unfolds. Thinking about the mirror principle also means taking responsibility for your role in shaping your life. It's easy to blame external factors for your problems, but this approach can disempower you. Instead, recognize that you have the power to influence your circumstances through your thoughts and actions. This mindset shift empowers you to take control of your life and make deliberate choices that align with your goals and values. The mirror principle isn't a one-time fix, it's an ongoing practice. It requires consistent effort and mindfulness to maintain a positive and constructive mindset. Regularly check in with yourself and assess how your internal state is aligning with your desired outcomes. Make adjustments as needed, and be patient with yourself as you navigate this process. Change takes time, and the journey of self-improvement is a continual one. Incorporating the mirror principle into your daily life can lead to profound changes. By consciously choosing to focus on positive thoughts and beliefs, you set the stage for a more fulfilling and successful reality. Practice gratitude, set clear intentions, and remain open to the possibilities that arise as you align your inner world with your outer desires. The beauty of the mirror principle lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. It's a reminder that we have the power to shape our reality through our internal state. By thinking about this principle, you can begin to see the world in a new light and create the life you've always wanted. Note, the reflection you see in the mirror of your life is a direct result of what you project onto it. So choose wisely, and watch as your reality transforms in response to your inner changes. Ultimately, the mirror principle invites you to take charge of your life and realize that you are the creator of your own reality. By focusing on positive thoughts, beliefs, and actions, you can transform your life in meaningful ways. Think of the power of this principle, and you'll find that you have the ability to manifest your desires and achieve your goals with greater ease and clarity. To sum up, the mirror principle is a powerful tool for personal transformation. It teaches us that our external reality is a reflection of our internal state, and by changing our thoughts and beliefs, we can influence the world around us. Start by becoming aware of your current mindset, use affirmations and visualization to align your inner world with your goals, and take responsibility for shaping your reality. With practice and patience, you can harness the power of the mirror principle to create a life that truly reflects your deepest desires and aspirations. As we wrap up our exploration of the mirror principle, it's clear that understanding and applying this concept can profoundly impact your life. By recognizing that the world around us is a reflection of our inner thoughts and beliefs, you gain the power to reshape your reality. The principle invites you to take a closer look at what you are projecting into the world and adjust your mindset to align with your goals and aspirations. Begin by practicing self-awareness and examining your current beliefs. Identify any negative or limiting thoughts that may be influencing your life. By challenging and replacing these with positive affirmations and visualizations, you can start to shift the reflection you see in your life's mirror. This process is not about making drastic changes overnight but about making gradual adjustments that align your internal state with the outcomes you desire. The mirror principle teaches that our external experiences are not random but a mirror of our inner world. This understanding can be empowering, as it places the control in your hands. Each thought, belief, and emotion you hold plays a role in shaping the life you live. By focusing on positive and constructive thoughts, you open the door to opportunities and experiences that resonate with your aspirations. As you move forward, note that applying the mirror principle requires consistent effort and mindfulness. Regularly check in with your thoughts and feelings, and be proactive in making adjustments as needed. This ongoing practice will help you maintain a positive outlook and stay aligned with your goals. The journey of self-improvement is continuous, and each step you take brings you closer to manifesting the reality you envision. Engaging with this principle can also enhance your interactions with others. By projecting kindness and respect, you create an environment that reflects these values back to you. This not only improves your relationships but also reinforces the positive changes you are making in your own life. The mirror principle shows that what you give is often what you receive, making it a powerful tool for fostering positive connections. If you found this discussion on the mirror principle insightful, please take a moment to show your support. Liking this video helps us reach more people and share these valuable insights with a wider audience. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel to stay updated with more content that can aid you in personal growth and self-improvement. By subscribing, you ensure that you don't miss out on future videos that can further enhance your understanding of principles like these. Lastly, keep exploring and applying these principles in your daily life. The more you practice, the more you'll discover how your thoughts and beliefs shape your reality. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more content that supports your journey toward a more fulfilling and empowered life.